Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter 5 Lines and Angles Part 1. Do you know what are the important geometric terms? Yes, already you learned in 6th standard. So, this is the continuation of 6th standard and we are going to learn more about geometry and moreover lines and angles. What is line, what is angles, what are the angles, etc. This we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, so first one, geometric terms. What is the first one? Point. Do you know what is a point? Yes, a point is a geometrical element which has no dimension. That means a point has no length, breadth and height, and also a point has an exact location in space or plane surface. Okay, so this is called a point. The next one is line. What is a line? A line is a straight path which has no end point. So here we have an example of line. The next one, line segment. What is mean by line segment? A line segment is a straight path which has two end points. See the figure? We have two end point, right? One is A and one is B. So AB is the line segment. Okay, so it is denoted as AB bar. Then simply we can say that a portion of a line is called a line segment. Okay, the next one is ray. What is a ray? A ray is a line which has one end point and endless from another side. Okay, so see the picture. Here we have a one end point and that is also a initial point. From that point, the other side is endless. That is called a ray. Okay. The next one is angles. An angle is formed when two rays share an endpoint. Usually, using by protractor, we measure the angle. So here we have a different types of angles. What are they? One is acute angle. What is acute angle? Below 90 degree is called acute angle. Then what is right angle? 90-degree angle is called a right angle. Then obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Above 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Then what is straight angle? 180 degree is called a straight angle. And a reflex angle means in between 180 and 360, that are called reflex angle. The last one is complete angle, that is 360 degree. So these are the some important angles you have learned in earlier classes. Okay, now let us learn some pair of angles. First one is complementary angles and the second one is supplementary angles. Okay, complementary means what? Very simple. Sum of two angles is 90 degree, that are called complementary angle, and sum of two angles is 180 degree, that are called supplementary angle. See the example. Here 30 degree and here 60 degree. So sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. So they are complementary. Here 27 plus 63. So sum of these two angles is also 90 degree. So complementary angle. See the next two example. Sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. So these are the examples of supplementary angles. Okay. The next pair of angle is adjacent angles. What is mean by adjacent angle? Two angles are said to be adjacent angles if first condition they have a common vertex. See the figure, O is the common vertex. Okay, then second condition they have a common arm. See the figure, OB is the common arm. Then third one is the other arms of two angles lie on opposite sides of the common arm. That means OA and OC of opposite of common arm AB. So these two angles are called adjacent angle. That is angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. So here we have a two example in angle A and angle B. Here notebook or textbook. we making an angle A and angle B. Then steering of the vehicle, they making an adjacent angles. So these are some examples of the adjacent angles. Then look at the example. Are the following angles and adjacent angles? See, first one, here we have an example. Sub question A, 1 and 2 is adjacent angle? No, because angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent because they do not have common arm. Then sub question B, see the figure 2 and 1, angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent because their interior angles are overlapping. That means angle 1 is overlapping 2. So this is not the adjacent angle. Then angle 1 and angle 2 in C are not adjacent because they do not have a common arm. Here we have no common arm for angle 1 and angle 2. The last one is angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angle because they have a common arm and a common vertex, and interiors do not overlap. That means angle 1 and angle 2 here nearest angles. Okay, so they are called adjacent angles. Okay, the next pair of angle is linear pair of angles. Very important concept. What is linear pair? A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays and the sum is 180 degree. See the figure. Here we have an angle A and angle B. Here the sum of angle A and angle B is equal to 180 degree. And also here non-common sides are opposite rays. So here angle A and angle C also two angles, that is also called linear pair, and the sum of angle A and C is 180 degree, C and D 180 degree, D and B is also 180 degree. See the example. Here we have a vegetable cutting board and a pen stand. They making a linear pair angles. Okay, so these are the examples of linear pair of angles. And see the two problems, 119 degree and 61 degree. So adding these two, you will get 180 degree. Here 145 plus 35, adding these two angles, also you get 180 degree. So these are called linear pair of angles. The next pair of angle is vertically opposite angles. What is mean by vertically opposite angle? When two lines intersect, two pair of vertically opposite angles are formed. See the example. Angle A and angle C are opposite angles. So they are also equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Very important. Vertically opposite angles are equal. And angle D and angle B are also vertically opposite angles. They are also equal. That means angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. See the some daily life examples: stand, scissors, and another type of double stand. So here we can see that some vertically opposite angles on that. So here we have an example. One is 35 degree angle AOC and angle BOD also 35 degree. They are equal. And angle AOD 45 degree and angle VOC is also 145 degree. These are called vertically opposite angles. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.